So good afternoon, everyone. Today we will use the tool. This tool. There's a tool, burn tool and dog tool. Okay. So we need some image. So let's download some image. Already there's some images are downloaded. तो कुछ image लेते हैं. Then we'll do some practice on that image. चलो इस पे देखते हैं. हमने वाला ऑप्शन यूज नहीं किया था ना अभी. Did we practice for the dog tool and burn tool before? Hello. Okay. Mic is mute. Please tell. We didn't practice now for this tool.
No, sir.
No, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
okay. I was confused. Okay. So I need some image. So यहाँ से कौन सा image लेते हैं? ये तो हमें कुछ और लेना पड़ेगा. यहाँ से देखते हैं. Suppose I'm working on that image. Okay. So this dog tool always used to make the color fair. Okay, bright करने के लिए use करते हैं. So use this dog tool and right here increase the brush size also. Then with the help of brush size, you can click on this any image. You got the reference? आप जितना ब्रश इसको इस पे चलाओगे उतना ही कलर फेयर होगा. नाउ लेट मी टेक वन एग्जांपल. एक काम करते हैं, एक नया पेज ले लेते हैं. यहाँ पे इंचेस में यहाँ पे इसको कर लेता हूँ लाइक 6 और हाइट भी कर लेता हूँ 6. ठीक है. नाउ ब्रिंग दिस इमेज हियर. इस इमेज को यहाँ पे लेके आते हैं. बंद कर लेता हूँ इसको मैं. We can use this option also for cut ना. Press Ctrl T. Make duplicate this image by Ctrl J. Ctrl J करने से लेयर कॉपी हो जाएगा. एक यहाँ है इमेज और एक इमेज इधर है. Okay, and I will do some changes on this image now. Or we'll do change on the first this image. तो अगर इस पे change करना है then we have to select this layer 1. Okay, now use the dog tool. राइट क्लिक कर देख लो, डायमीटर देख लो और हार्डनेस आपको जितना करना है थोड़ा कम ही रखना, ज्यादा मत करना. अगर ज्यादा कर दोगे तो बहुत अजीब सा हो जाएगा ऐसे. इट्स नॉट लुक गुड. सो हार्डनेस शुड बी ऑलवेज लेस दिस वैल्यू. ओके. ब्रश साइज हमारे पास बड़ा है. ठीक है. नाउ यूज दिस ब्रश साइन एंड देन अप्लाई ऑन दिस इमेज. और इक्वली रोटेट करना फेस के ऊपर इसको. अगर कहीं पे ज्यादा हो जाता है, सो ओके, नो 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 नो, ट्राई करना इक्वल रोटेट होगा, नहीं तो फिर वो एक जगह से वाइट एक जगह से वैसा हो जाएगा, अजीब वो लगेगा फिर। इज इट ओके एवरीवन? हेलो, इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So with the help of
But
dog
sir,
tool, you can make an image bright, huh? Yes.
sir, it looks so unreal. So how we can make it like real? It looks like
That's what I'm saying, na. It depends on the use of mouse also. Like my mouse is not working properly, so that's I'm not able to use the brush properly here. तो आपका माउस भी ठीक होना चाहिए फोटोशॉप एडिटिंग के लिए, और इक्वली आपको इस पे रोटेट करना है।
only for face we can use, not for bear, right? Here.
No, and another also depend on you, na, where you want to use. Like this tool used to make the color little bit of whiteness, na. So if I want to make like that, so also I can change on the face. Either you want to change the color of the clothes also, you can, but it's on you. Like if I do more, if I use more this tool like that, so it's look that okay, it's not real image.
Can
But
we
if you
make
apply the
the
less,
color?
sorry,
Can we make the color like skin color?
no, it's not for make the color. I told you already, it's not to make the color option. If you want to change any color, so there you know the option name, adjustment and variation from here. Okay, you know the option.
Yeah, yeah. No,
This
because you
option is
said for
this
color.
option only used for make the color bright. Okay,
Mhm.
and another option, dog tool. Dog tool used to make the image dark. So we're going to take one more example of an image. चलो इसको ले लेते हैं। I'm using this image, make duplicate first this image. Like see by mistake I work on this image and वो कहाँ गया, desktop पे एक image था, this one the original image, and I did some changes and I forget to save that previous one file ना, तो अब ये original image खराब हो गया है, so I cannot use that one again after download. So whenever you do work, so please make duplicate of image, okay, then do changes. तो चलो इसको देखते हैं, इसको क्या करना, डार्क करना है इसका फेस को. So there's another option that is called the burn tool. Use the burn tool. burn tool यूज करोगे तो कलर क्या हो जाएगा, डार्क हो जाएगा. अगर किसी का कलर फेस का कलर डार्क करना तो आप ये वाला ऑप्शन यूज कर सकते हो इसके लिए. Not for that, if you want to make like that this person is injured, so also you can make like that ना, कि यहाँ पे चोट लगा है. So it's up to you where, how you will use this option. Simply this dog tool used for make the color bright and the burn tool used to make the color dark. Is it okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so download some images from the Google and do these changes. Okay, चलो एक और नया कुछ बताते हैं. I'm taking one page और इसका कलर कर देते हैं ब्लैक. So the background layer is black. Now use the color white. Use the text option right here. Writing here Bosco. Then click the option image. Rotate canvas. Then 90 degrees CW. Okay, 90 degrees CW clockwise. Again, we're going to repeat. First, take one page, apply the background color black, then write Bosco and any text in a color white. Okay, then select the text layer, then click the option image, then rotate canvas, then 90 degree clockwise like this. Now there's in a filter, there's some option. Okay, with the help of that we can do some changes. So देखते हैं. Click the option wine. Okay. और ये भी क्या दिखा रहा है? From right side. From right नहीं करना है, हमको क्या करना है? From left to right side. From left to right side. So use the second option from left to right. So some effect will come from left to right, right side, left to right. You can see here. Okay, the preview like this. Now press simply Control F. Control F. Like this. Now we have to rotate again back. So image, rotate canvas 90C, and then last time we did the 90 degree CW clockwise. Now press the 90 degree CC. Okay, like this. Now it's up to, I'm going to make duplicate this layer, duplicate this image, because यहाँ पे 2-3 अलग-अलग options होगा editing का, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे करेंगे. One way I can press Control and then click here to select all of that. Then I can click here, apply some colors like this. One effect. Okay. Second one, again make duplicate this. कुछ और भी change करना है इसीलिए. Otherwise I have to repeat again, make the same thing ना. So to save timing, I'm using this one. So now do one thing. Click the option image, mode, and then make it grayscale. Then make it the grayscale first. Then it will come the option flatten. Now again click on image, mode. Now there's option RGB color or index color. ये सब है, बहुत सारे अलग option है. So now we will use the option index color. But see, when you did the enable the flatten option, so this image merged. Now image, mode, and then index color. Okay, you apply the index color. So you can see now there's an option named color table. Now again click here color table option. Then from here different options are there. You can check. We can do some more changes here in this. इसको राइट क्लिक करते हैं, डुप्लीकेट करते हैं, ओके करते हैं. ये जो ये ऊपर इफेक्ट है, इसमें कुछ और चेंजेस करना है, ठीक है? तो इसके लिए एक ऑप्शन होता है फिल्टर, distort, and there's option ripple. Filter, distort, and then ripple. Use a ripple option. Already यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चेंजेस हो गया है, like this. Then you can go to image option, mode option. Then you can directly click on the index color also. No need to go to a grayscale. आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो इसको. Now go to image, mode, and then color table. This is another effect. Make me smaller this and then show you. Let me add something more here, okay? In this. Where is our original image? I think this one, okay? Going to right click and duplicate it again. After when you make this one, so उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे click कर सकते हो filter and there's option liquify, filter and then liquify. Now I don't want to do changes on this letters. I want to do changes only on this. जो लिखा हुआ है ना ये effect है उसको changes करना है. So make the brush size little bit smaller. It's very big now. With the help of that, na, you can do changes with this option. Sorry, ये वाला ले लो. The first option. It's up to you, okay? आप कितना changes करोगे? Actually वो white background था इसलिए पता नहीं चल रहा था. कुछ और color होता तो आपको फिर clear दिखाई देता. Filter, liquify. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
okay? Yeah. Any doubt till now? Any doubt till
No,
now?
sir.
Okay. आज ये वाला सारा try करना. Write some text and then apply this kind of effect. Because sometimes you are making posters or something, na? That time you, if you want to write something in some effectively, if you want to apply some effect on the headings or title of that poster, so you can apply these effects. तो उसके apply कर करके थोड़ा different apply करना है सारा, ठीक है? I'm not going to teach so many things today also. I will add something more tomorrow in this letter. Another effect, okay? It's similar but little bit change in the next class. For today, you have to do only these options. Practice only these options. ठीक है? ये सारा आपको practice करना है.
Okay,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir, I have a question.
Yes.
You open this all layers,
Right.
or all this layers. When you want to save it, so you can you save it all together or no?
Is
Like keep it all.
it's not layer. It different files. I copy the image.
Okay.
I made duplicate image. See?
Okay, image. So can we save it all together?
How you can save all file together? If there's a 10 files, you have to save 10 times. Because in 10 files, I save different effect. Nah? I create one
Yeah.
file. At the first, I create one file. And then I did some changes and then did save. Now all the then apply different effect. Because
Okay.
I don't want to make the again, I don't want to repeat again the same thing, or create a new page, then apply a black color in the background, then again write the text. It will consume more time. So that's why I did simply first take one new page like this. I take a new page. Sorry, let me give the size also. सबसे पहले हमें न्यू पेज लिया था हमने यहाँ से, ठीक है. I create new page. Then I apply here the color. Then I use the text option and then write here the Bosco like this. If suppose I applied this effect on that, but next time I want to apply a different effect like this one. So again, I have to click on file, then new page, and again write, apply the black color, and then do the same thing. Okay. So it will take too much time. So that's why मैंने जब ये complete किया, इसके बाद मैंने इसको duplicate कर लिया. Whenever I make any file, I am not going to do any changes on this file. I will just click here and make duplicate this image and then do work here. Then minimize this. Again, I will, if I do any other thing, तो again मैं इसको duplicate कर लूंगा. मुझे बार बार create करना नहीं पड़ेगा file को. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Because
Otherwise,
last night
yeah. Otherwise, if you do like 4 type or 5 types of editing effect, तो आपको 4-5 times different आपको apply करना पड़ेगा, create करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. तो अगर आपको टाइमिंग सेव करना है तो एक बार बना के उसको डुप्लीकेट बना के तब इफेक्ट अप्लाई करो. डोंट अप्लाई इफेक्ट ऑन द ओरिजिनल फाइल. उसको डुप्लीकेट करो एंड देन डू चेंजेस. ओके, इज इट ओके?
yes.
ओके.